In this exercise video, I'm going to show you how to do a seated lat stretch and a QL stretch. It stretches any muscle that is between your ribs and your pelvis to help create any increased motion and decrease stress through the spine and the pelvis. So you're going to start off by getting to the front edge of your chair. You can also do this in standing, but sitting can sometimes be easier. And I'm going to have you, if you're going to stretch your left side, you're going to reach your left arm straight up towards the ceiling and then across your body. So this arm is lifting up and away. So we're not necessarily going straight across this way. We're thinking about lengthening and lifting. You should already feel a bit of a stretch here. And then you could either stay here and just focus on some good side body breathing. So inhaling and trying to expand through this area. Or you can be instructed to do a little bit of movement. So keeping this long, lengthened, up and away stretch, you can rotate a little bit to the right, and that changes the stretch a little bit. Or you can rotate a little bit to the left, and that changes the stretch. So you could be instructed to glide back and forth here, or you could be instructed to hold each individual position. So you're going to follow the guidance of your physical therapist for this. If you need a little bit more intensity with the stretch, you're going to use your other hand to help pull and get a bigger stretch. So left arm's going up and away. Right arm can grab around the wrist and do a little extra pull. So I'm not being super forceful. I'm not trying to crank on it as hard as I can. It's still trying to lift up and away, but this arm is pulling that direction. So I'm not pulling straight across this way, I'm pulling it up and away, and that intensifies the stretch. And again, you can add in that right rotation or left rotation to increase that stretch. So it'd be the same thing if you're going to do it on the right side. Right arm goes up and away, lengthening through the side body here. You can add in that arm to give it a little extra pull. Add in rotation to the left, rotation to the right. Or you can also do this in standing the same way. If you're doing it in standing, you may want to let your hips drift with that stretch as well.